This is Matt Foster. I'm going to go over the interior features of the TGB LandMax 1000 and also walk through the process of getting the unit turned on, getting in the proper drive mode, and taking it out for the first ride. First of all, we'll just check out the features on the interior of the TGB LandMax. Obviously, there's a gauge in the center there. We got a steering wheel with tilt. There's the lever. We have ignition switch with the cover in case you need that. Pedals, obviously, throttle, brake. And we have highlight, low beam, four-wheel drive mode, toggle switch here. We have a winch operation here, USB plug here, 12-volt auxiliary here. Also multiple cup holders. This one here, a couple here, one to the side. Also fold down armrest with cup holders here. Then we have the storage, which is glove box here. These have a seal, so they're dust proof. Cell phones running around in there is not going to get all dusty and dirty. Also have the gear shifter over here. So additional storage. You can see the mesh front there on the little cubby hole. Also have this passenger seat that folds up. Middle seat folds up, little cubby hole here. There's also access for your battery, fuse block, your ECUs in there. And so really nice, easy, accessible location there. So when you first get ready to fire the TGB up, we'll go through the process of getting situated here. Your unit's going to come with two different keys. The longer one is a speed key, and it limits you to 25 miles an hour. We'll go ahead and throw that in, step on the brake, turn your switch on, and go ahead and fire it up. One of the things you'll notice is the key icon right here. That's to indicate that the speed key is in. So we'll go ahead and throw the other key in. No key there. Toggle the light off and the screen changes with no lights on. It's a light screen. Any lights on, then the screen goes dark. Once you get in the unit, you're going to want to make sure that your drive mode is positioned where you need it to. To do this, we're just going to slip her into neutral right here. Then we're going to toggle the drive mode switch, which you'll be able to see here. So one time gets you into four-wheel drive, next time gets you into what is called turf mode, where only one tire is turning. So if I'm going to go in my yard, if I'm going to do anything like that, then I want to make sure the turf mode's on. If I'm going to go on any kind of terrain that is difficult to find traction in, then I'm going to want to continue to toggle this switch until we're in four-wheel drive. And you'll know that when all four tires are lit green. Once you do that, go ahead and throw it in drive, ready to go.